Hey guys, welcome to Trading the Charts. My name is Rex and this is Tesla Weekly Analysis number 45 for week ending August 14, 2021. On Monday, Tesla was up 2.1%, closing at 713.76. It was able to hold above 700 after breaking out last week. As I mentioned before, it will be a key indicator of a continued bullish trend if Tesla is able to hold above this level. The next key resistance that Tesla will run into will come in at around 780, which is where the bottom of the green uptrend channel currently lies at. It is also important to note that Tesla has held above the 200-day moving average for its 8th straight consecutive trading day, which is also a good indication that this bull run will continue. This 200-day moving average should also act as support if Tesla should happen to break back below 700. Support of the 200-day moving average currently lies at around 656. On Tuesday, Tesla was down 0.5%, closing at 709.99. It continues to consolidate for the 6th straight trading day at just above the 700 level. It is a good sign that this 700 level is holding as support for now and could mean that it is gearing up for the next push higher. It's currently in an uptrend going back to May 19 as it has been making a series of higher lows and higher highs. We will need to watch to see if it can break above its previous high of 728 to form another higher high. You should also note the bullish indicator that both the 50-day and 200-day moving average are rising in an upward slope, with Tesla trading above both of these levels since June 24. On Wednesday, Tesla was down 0.3%, closing at 707.82. Another sideways trading day as Tesla fluctuated in a tight range between 704 and 715. It continues to consolidate just above 700 for the 7th straight trading day. The longer it stays above 700, the more likely this 700 level will hold as support. However, momentum to the upside is starting to wane as the indicators are showing. The MACD is starting to roll over, although it is still above the signal line. The RSI has broken just below the rising uptrend line as well. On Thursday, Tesla was up 2%, closing at 722.25. Yet another day of consolidation at just above the 700 level. Tesla retested support at 700 at its intraday lows, dropping to as low as 699 before bouncing back up. This makes it the 8th straight trading day it has held above 700 after breaking out above it on August 2nd. It will need to break above the 728 level to form a higher high and confirming the continuation of its uptrend that it has been trading in since May 19. On Friday, Tesla was down 0.7%, closing at 717.17. It closes out the week trading flat all week, which makes it 9 straight trading days that it's been trading just above the 700 level. Although it just barely made a higher high by hitting almost 730 at its intraday highs before pulling back. We will need to wait till next week going into the AI Day event to see if this 700 level of support will hold. In my opinion, I do think Tesla will hold above 700 and continue its trend upwards. The key resistance that I think Tesla will run into is the bottom of the green channel, which currently lies at around 785. I also believe that it will be a major hurdle and substantially bullish move if it can break back into the green uptrend channel. As I mentioned in my previous videos, this green uptrend channel goes all the way back to August of last year. So a break back into this long-term uptrend channel would indicate its tendency to continue this uptrend. One indication that I think this 700 level will hold is because Tesla is trading well above the 50 and 200-day moving average, both of which are currently trending upwards. The second indicator that leads me to believe that we will hold above 700 is if we look at the MACD. It is on a steady uptrend and currently above the zero line, indicating momentum is to the upside. Not to mention, if we look at the RSI, it has been hugging the uptrend line shown here, which also supports the argument of steadily rising momentum to the upside. Now, if we look at the longer term picture of the weekly chart, you can see that it's trading within an uptrend channel. You can also see that it has tested the bottom of the uptrend channel numerous times, and it has held each and every time. My presumption is that Tesla will eventually pull away and run towards the top of the channel, which would bring it to new all-time highs. What further supports this view is if we look at the even longer time frame of the monthly chart, we can see that it is also trading within an uptrend channel. You can see that it tested the bottom of this channel 3 times and held above it successfully, whereas now it is starting to pull away upwards. And just like on the weekly chart, the presumption is that it will make a run towards the top of the channel. You should also note that it seems to be forming a symmetrical rounding U-shaped cup. So again, I do see Tesla retesting all-time highs sooner than later. But to the downside, if that 700 level of support does not hold, we would see the next support level come in at the 50 and 200-day moving average, which currently lies at around 662. So those are my price predictions for next week. Bull case, if we can hold above 700, we will likely see it run up to key resistance at 785. Bear case, if that 700 support level fails to hold, we can see Tesla drop back to support at around 662. Now, on to Tesla news. Tesla is upgraded by Jeffries from hold to buy with $850 price target. Tesla received an upgrade from Jeffries from hold to buy. The firm predicts the stock will rise 22% over the next year to $850. Jeffries has upgraded Tesla's stock rating as the company continues to prove itself a leader in the mass production of electric vehicles and an innovator in the battery market. In a research note to clients, analyst Felipe Huchois raised the one-year price target to $850 from $700. Jeffries expects Tesla in general to be able to boost their margins as they operate with less but better allocated capital. The firm expects the manufacturer to benefit over other EV makers through lack of legacy issues and as demand for EVs continues to grow. Tesla, which has a direct selling model, is becoming more and more attractive to consumers. Strong direct sales will be the future drivers for increased structural returns in the industry, Huchois wrote. In parallel with this, Jeffries cut its rating on Daimler to hold and lowered its price target to 82 from 95 because the upside potential seems limited at the moment. The price target for General Motors has also been lowered to $53 from $68 as its 2022 product cycle looks weak compared to the competition. So as Jeffries is raising their price target on Tesla, they are simultaneously dropping their price target on Tesla's competitors. Ray for Tesla tweets, Tesla China Research and Development Center will go online soon. Plenty of designer, engineer, technician jobs still open in 7 categories: vehicle design, vehicle software, hardware design engineering, material engineering, powertrain/energy engineering, R&D engineering operation, and vehicle engineering. Tesla China sales for July have been released. Tesla Made in China July sales were 8,998 units, down 68% month over month. Model 3 units sold were 6,601 units, down 42% month over month. Model Y units sold were 2,397 units, down 79% month over month. Tesla Giga Shanghai's new production rate is 450,000 per year. Tesla's Giga Shanghai reached a milestone earlier this month. It now has an annualized vehicle production rate of 450,000 Model Y and Model 3 vehicles. Well-known tweeter Ray for Tesla shared some details and noted that it's reasonable to assume the rate may grow to 500,000 as production continues to ramp up through the end of the year. Teslarati added that Mickey Works TV, a China-based YouTuber, recently shared more details on Giga Shanghai's current operations, including its vehicle output. Last year, Tesla had a goal of delivering 500,000 cars. Tesla met that goal, and it will soar past it this year. There are even thoughts that Tesla could make 1 million EVs in 2021. In September of last year, CleanTechnica's Zach Shahan pointed out that Giga Shanghai itself could produce 1 million vehicles a year at some point. He recapped Tesla's 2020 annual shareholder meeting, and one big comment that snagged his attention was that Elon Musk pointed out that Giga Shanghai could eventually produce 1 million vehicles a year. We are almost halfway there. However, being halfway there will enable Tesla as a whole to produce approximately 1 million vehicles annually across the globe. With Giga Texas and Giga Berlin coming online this year, Tesla may actually reach that goal quite soon. Tesla files to produce 5 more versions of Model Y at Gigafactory Shanghai, some for export. Tesla has filed with the Chinese government to produce 5 more versions of the Model Y electric SUV at Gigafactory Shanghai. Some of those variants are expected to be exported to other markets that will get the electric SUV for the first time. On Tuesday, the Ministry of Industry and Information Technology in China released its latest batch of new energy vehicle applications for production in the country. The batches of filings have been a good way to track new electric vehicles coming to production in China, which is now the world's biggest EV market and home to many EV models exclusive to that market. Tesla had several applications in this new batch, and they appear to be all new versions of the Model Y. There appears to be 2 Model Y standard range versions, one with a domestically produced motor and one with an imported motor. As previously reported, Tesla recently launched a Model Y standard range in China, with deliveries expected to start next month. The cheaper version of the electric SUV was briefly launched in the US earlier this year before Tesla decided not to offer the configuration. The fact that Tesla is applying to produce 2 versions of the Model Y standard range in China could mean that one of them is going to be exported to other markets. As previously reported, Gigafactory Shanghai has become Tesla's new main export hub. Among the new Model Y versions that Tesla is applying to produce in China, there are also a new Model Y long-range rear-wheel drive, Model Y long-range dual motor, and a new Model Y Performance. The most surprising is the Model Y long-range rear-wheel drive, since it's not something Tesla is currently offering on the online configurator for the electric SUV in China. Ray for Tesla tweets, interesting development. Bai Chaoyang, former content editor-in-chief of Dongche, a major automobile publisher also known as China's Motor Trend, now joins Tesla China. He is, quote, responsible for new media dissemination. This is a major move to strengthen Tesla China's public relations team. Also, we've got some updates regarding Tesla's delivery dates in the US. Sawyer Merritt tweeted, the Standard Range Plus Model 3 is now officially sold out for the rest of 2021 in the US, with the estimated delivery time now showing January on the online configurator. Before, the estimated delivery was November. The long-range variant still shows an estimated delivery date of November. All Model Y estimated delivery dates remain the same as of now, but I expect the long-range Model Y to be sold out for the rest of 2021 very soon, as it currently gives a December estimated delivery date. Not only are Tesla delivery dates being pushed back in the US, but it is also being pushed back in Canada. Tesla Owners Online tweeted, want to order a Model S or X in Canada? Current estimate is March to April. Standard Range Plus Model 3 is now January. Holy cow. We've also got some news out of Giga Berlin. Sawyer Merritt tweeted, "I've been told that Giga Berlin will have 8 6,000-ton Giga presses, 4 front underbody and 4 rear underbody. They expect at least 1 Giga press to be up and running by October. 8 6,000-ton Giga presses would give Giga Berlin a capacity of 1.5 million Model Ys per year." Tesla uses blockchain technology to ensure sustainably sourced raw materials for batteries. Tesla is using blockchain technology to ensure that raw materials for battery manufacturing are obtained from sustainable sources. Blockchain solutions track cobalt from the Democratic Republic of Congo and nickel from BHP in Australia. Tesla published its 2020 impact report, which shows the company is using 2 blockchain solutions to track raw materials used in electric vehicle batteries. The company strives to ensure that they are obtained from sustainable sources, which is in line with Tesla's mission. And by the way, if you guys want to support the channel and get a free stock worth up to $221.50, be sure to use my referral link in the description below to sign up for Robinhood. Thanks for watching, guys. Please hit that thumbs up if you enjoyed the video and subscribe for more content.